This is a three-part structure of the Changjie input method. Okay, this is the horizontal three parts. Okay, the first example, we write the left hand side first, and then the middle one, and the right one. This is Ka. And the next one, the left hand side is P. You can remember this. And only one key for the left hand side, and then the middle. There are three keys in the middle, but we just use the first and the outside here, two keys. So it's P, N, and B. And for the last part on the right hand side, we just take the last key, which is Q here, just like this. And this one is similar. We have only one E on the left hand side, and then two keys in the middle, and one B on the right hand side. So this is E, J, R, B, four keys, as you can see in this diagram. Next one is like this. The left hand side has two keys. We take the first and the last. The second part, the middle part, has also many keys, and we also take the middle, the first and the last part, which is F, three strokes F. And we just take the last, okay, this one, U. But when we write the dot at last. And the next one means debate, bin. The middle part has also many keys. You just take the first and the R from the middle part. And also we just take the last key, the J here. So the keys for this word are Y, JY, RJ. Y, this one, J, Y, R, J. Okay, please pay some attention to the diagram for each word. They are different, but the rules are more or less the same. And for this one, this is a dot, so it's I, and this is an M. M4. You can see here. The middle part, take the first one, the P, and this is not counted, but this one K is counted, like this. And we just left one more key, so we take the last one. This is O, the last two strokes. And for the last two example is not the same. Just watch. This word has two keys on the left hand side, but only one key in the middle. So we take the middle key, add up the first two keys, then, not like the former words, we take two keys from the right hand side, from the last part. So if a word is formed like this, we take the first two keys on the left and take the only key in the middle and take the last two keys on the right hand side. This is a very common word. 条 and O on the left and L in the middle. Now, since this takes two and the middle takes one, so we just take two more on the right hand side, and we take the first. This is also O, the blue here, and then take the last. You see the D here on the right hand side. So this is O, O, L, O, and D. 4 keys for this word. Okay, now we come to the last page, which is the vertical 3-part structure in Changjie input method. And this is the first example. Vertical structure like this. This together with this C, this is the first part, okay? Because this is connected. And the second part here is also connected. And then separately, the last R here. So these are 3 parts, okay? And the keys are J, C, H, G, and R. And then the next one means noisy. Many mouths here, so it's noisy. Many people are talking. 2 mouths on top, the first part, and the middle part. And then 2 more mouths at the bottom is hill in Cantonese. And we take R, and M, and then the middle C here, and then the last R. Okay, the next example means pretty. We write the top 2 horizontal short lines. This is the first part, okay, the first part, and then the second part here, like this. So MM, BB, and then we just take the last key because only 5 keys at most, okay? So these are not counted. And this is the last key, the P here, okay, as you can see here. So the keys is M, M, B, B, P. Okay, the next word is a very good word because it means kind. Start with 2 dots on top together with a connected horizontal line. This is the first part, okay? And this is the second key, the V here. And we take the first and the last. This is the I here in the middle. So it's T, V, and I. Now 2 parts and 3 keys, and we take the last P here at the bottom. So there are 4 keys, T, V, I, P for this word. Okay, T, V, I, you see I here, and P. In the next example, this is the top part, and in the middle is split into left and right. The last stroke is a dot. Okay, so the first part we take the T, remember the T, and the second key we take this one, that's an S, and then the last key in the middle is the I. At the bottom, this is not counted, and the last key is 2 dots with a horizontal line, that is the T also. Here you can see. Okay, one more vertical 3 parts word here. Start with an H, it means bamboo, on top, and this in the middle. This is the W with a nearly vertical line, so it's H, W, and then L. Then only one word left. The last here. Okay, the last 2 examples are a little bit different. Just like the last one, we talk about the horizontal 3 parts word. In the middle, only one key, and so we take the last 2 keys for the third part. Okay, just like this one, worry, yao. Together with this stroke, this is the first part, so we take M and B for the first part, and then the P, only one key for the middle part, and we also take the last key. So this H and E. Okay, this is the last word. O, M, and then we take the last 2 keys. R, this is not counted because the lower part has 3 keys. We take 2 only. This is L, like this. Okay, thank you for your watching.